Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a fashion video. I haven't done a fashion video in a while, so I wanted to incorporate a fashion video, you know, before summer ends because this is actually a summer haul video. If you want to see a cute summer fashion haul with affordable, wearable, fashionable clothes, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, this look, if you're interested and you like it, it will be uploaded up on my Instagram with a nice little tutorial. It should be up now or maybe in the future. I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, so yeah, it gets all complicated. I like to do videos in advance and then sometimes I'm like delayed on videos, but yeah. Anyways, let's just get to the point of this video. So the first little summer like accessory, this is from Girl Gang Lash, I think it is. I'm going to link everything down below. So yeah, before I start the whole haul, I'm gonna link everything down below where I got the things, or you know the drill. So I got these two items and look how cute this thing is. This is like a 4-in-1. You can carry it like this. It brings straps to wear it as a little nice long bag, and I don't know, it's just so cute. You can also wear it as a like one of those little sacky thingies that go in the front. I forgot the fucking name of it. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. But yeah, if I remember the name, I'll link it down below. But yeah, you can wear this bag 4 different ways or 3 different ways, which is so cute. I just love it. The color is just perfect. I got it in red. They have it in green and lime yellow and all of those colors, but I got it in red because of the shades. Look at these shades. They are just so cute. They are screaming 80s, 90s, whatever. But look how cute they are. They just go so perfect. I love it for the summer. I did take a couple of pictures wearing the glasses with the bag, so also you will see that on my Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, don't forget to follow my Instagram. Okay, so the first few items are from Old Navy, and these are more casual, wearing everyday, like comfy clothes. And of course in the summer you want to be comfy because, you know, it's hot and you just want to be comfortable. You don't want that stickiness. And if you're going to the park or you're going to the mall or, you know, just hanging out, then you want comfy clothes. So these were $2 each. So I got 3 of these. I got a white one, this teal one, and like a mountain green or dark green. But these are so comfortable. They are super loose and they just look so good in the summer with a pair of shorts. And talking about shorts, I got 2 pairs of shorts, and these are super comfortable. I got these in a size, what size are these? Size 4, and they are kind of big because I know Old Navy's clothes always run big, like, but I just got them a bigger size because I think I would be a size 2, but I just got them a bigger size because I wanted them to be comfy. So these are all white and I just love them. The pockets, I like that they have this little fold here, and they're just so cute in the summer. White goes like perfect. If you're gonna notice I bought a lot of white items because white is just so nice in the summer. It goes perfect with everything. And yeah, then I got these striped ones and I just love these. These are like my mom shorts, I call them, because I don't know, they just remind me of moms and grandmas, but they're just so cute. The blue and the white stripes. Also, I got these a size 4, and these are called the everyday shorts, and I got these 2. They were on sale for I think $12 each. This was before I went to Florida. I had to get a couple of shorts, so of course these I'm gonna be wearing all summer long. I have worn these a couple of times already, girl. These are gonna get used, so the $12 are worth it for each of these. And yeah, like I said, I got these for $2, so I paid $6 for 3 of these tanks. That's my comfy clothes. Now we're gonna go in with the more like going out and cute little pieces. So the first items I'm gonna show you, I guess, are from Forever 21. And I'm gonna tell you something. I am only incorporating some of the clothes I got because I have so many and I just didn't want to go and look for each and every item. This video would be super long. So I got the ones that stick out the most and are cute and affordable. Also got this little dress, and I did take a photo wearing it and I posted it on Instagram. So this cute little yellow neon dress, and I love that it's off the shoulders like this. It goes nice and tight. The buttons right here in the front are just so cute. It's not too long and not too short. It's just the perfect length for me, and I got this in a size small, and this is from Forever 21. So yeah, this is super cute, and this costs $12.90, so it's also super affordable if you were looking for a dress like last minute, because I know I got this like last minute for Florida as well. I didn't wear it at Florida because I don't even know why I didn't wear it. I wore some other items. I just brought so many items, like I just go overboard, but I brought so many items to Florida. So yeah, I didn't get to wear this, but I did take a picture wearing it, and hopefully I wear it this summer. The item that I got that is also, I should have incorporated this in my everyday casual wear, is this little just regular dress. It's tie-dye, but I love the color, the orangey and the grayish bluish color. It is just so cute for everyday wear. You could wear it with a belt and it'll look so cute with some nice sandals, or you could just wear it loose. You know, maybe put a jacket on if it's like a cooler summer day. And yeah, I think it'll look so cute. And this cost me, I know I didn't pay the $17.90 that it cost. I know I paid, I think it was half price for this because it was on sale, but it's also like rounded on the bottom, so it's not like straight. It's cute and rounded on the bottom. It's a little long for me. I don't know, this is a size small, but it actually fits a little bigger. And it's obviously meant to be worn like loose. So yeah, I just love it, and I can't wait to wear this. I also like that this is folded here, and of course I love the tie-dye print. So I got a few items from Ross when I was at Florida, and I couldn't believe how Ross had such amazing like shirts and sandals. I got 2 pairs of sandals, which I didn't bring into this haul because it's just too much, but I got 2 pairs of sandals that are really nice, some yellow ones and some like brownish ones that are like very boho, and I got those sandals for I think like $5 each, and they were on clearance. So these shirts I got for like $3 and one for $2, and yeah, that clearance rack and Ross is no game. So I got 3 shirts while in Florida, and they're all summery and cute little crop tops because I've been into crop tops, as I mentioned in one of my videos before. One is a cute little tie-dye, of course, print shirt, and it's a crop top. The yellow and the blue and the red looks just so cute. I love that it says love and, you know, all that cute stuff. Into, you know, boho clothing, so this is just so cute, and I paired this off with a skirt that I'm going to be showing you here. I wore this to my hubby's birthday celebration, and it was very comfortable, and I can't wait to keep wearing it this summer. So that one was like $3. So I also got this shirt, and it says here $10, but I did not pay $10 for this at all. This was on clearance. So this is so cute. I got that one in a size small as well. So this one is so cute, and look how it is. It is just so summery. I love the color, and the sandals that I got for this shirt, or when I bought this shirt, is so, it just goes so perfect. So I can't wait to pair this off with the sandals, and it's just so comfy, and I know it's breathable, so it's gonna be nice and comfy whenever I wear it. So yeah, I can't believe I found this at Ross. Like, girl, if you've never shopped at Ross for clothing, like, don't be ashamed just because, you know, it's Ross. Like, they have really nice things. Also got this shirt that's also like boho chic like print, and this is in a size medium, and it's also crop top, and I wore this to go to the city one day, and I loved it. How comfortable it is, and it just looks so cute with some jeans and some sandals that I wore. It just looks so perfect. I loved it. It was only like $3 as well. Go Ross! Go Ross! I got a couple of items from Boohoo. Boohoo was having a crazy sale, and it was around my hubby's birthday, so I got him a couple of items from the Boohoo man section, and I also of course had to go and get me a couple of items from them. Sale was insane. It was like 50% off of a bunch of items. I think it was I don't even know, but I know it was 50% off, so I got 50% off of all of these items. So yeah, so I got a bunch of nice summery things, and I'm going to the JLo concert this Friday. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but yeah, I'm going to the JLo concert, and I actually wanted to wear one of these shirts for the JLo concert, but I'm not gonna wear that. I'm gonna wear a whole different outfit, of course. So yeah, I'm just buying things to buy. But I wore this shirt already, and I love it. It's a crop top, neon green, cute little everyday casual crop top, and it looks so cute, and your tan looks extra tan. So yeah, very comfortable. I got 50% off of this, and I think it was $6, so I think I paid like $3 for this, so good deal. Also got this skirt, and I wore this for my hubby's birthday with the tie-dye crop top that says love, and it looked so cute. I love that it has this zipper. It goes all the way down like that, so it is so cute and comfortable. And the back looks like this, and it's a high-waisted skirt. So I love this skirt. I did take a picture as well wearing it with this little accessories. You will see it if you follow me on Instagram. And I paid, I think, like $12 for this, something like that. It was super cheap. Got these white shirts because, like I said, I like to wear white. So one of these shirts is the shirts that I was gonna wear to the JLo concert, but I'm not wearing that anymore because I feel like I want to dance at the JLo concert, and I'm not gonna be able to dance if I have these shirts on. I feel like my boobs probably gonna pop out. But look how cute this is. This is like a everyday, or you know, a casual date night or a date with the hubby shirt, and it's a crop top, and it ties up here. It's roughly here, and it ties. You can make it tighter, make it shorter, and it's just so cute. And as well, I paid close to nothing for this. I can't remember the price, but it was 50% off. So if you go on the website and you see it now, it was 50% off of that. So it's amazing. Of the same, this one is more going out shirt than the other one. The other one is more casual than this one. Hours later, I figured it out, but it looks like this, and it's cute. It's more of a, like I said, going out shirt. I like the back. The back is like crisscross. It is so pretty. And also it came with this that you can tie in the middle, and it'll look even more, you know, cute. So if I ever go on a date with the hubby and I want to look extra, then this shirt is so beautiful. I love that it's white as well. So yeah, it matches with anything. But at least from Boohoo, I got this long yellow skirt, and it's like a wrapped skirt, and you tie it, and it's just so cute. It's like a maxi skirt, but obviously it needs to be ironed now. It's mad wrinkly. But it is so cute, and I got this for super cheap. Like, I think this was not even, I think this was like 60% off, something like that. So yeah, you know, I had mentioned this in my last haul from ebloggers. ebloggers is a cute little company, and they always have these amazing sales. It's all clothes that influencers donated, so it's a really nice little concept. They had a crazy sale before I went to Florida, and it was mostly on two-piece sets, which I love two-piece sets. That's like my go-to thing, either jumpsuits or two-piece sets. That's like, I'm rocking that. So the first one is from Misguided, and I wore this in Florida while I was in Disney World, and I just think it is so cute. It's this little track, what is this called, like a little jumpsuit or a little tracksuit. I don't know what this is called, but it's just so cute. It's velvety, and this color of course is trending, neon. So I don't know, I love the way I wore it. I wore it with some nice sneakers, and it was just really cute, casual, but I also looked fashionable, you know. And of course I was in Disney World, so I wanted to look a little nice because I was gonna take pictures. So this was super comfortable as well. I love the length too. It wasn't too short, and I got this for so cheap. I think I got this for $4 on the ebloggers website. Also, this one that I freaking wore when I went out with the hubby on a date night with my friend and her hubby. I wore this 2-piece set and I fell in love with it, and I just can't get over it. So I had to take a picture just to post it on Instagram because I didn't get a picture of it officially. I got a picture with my friends, of course, but like official, like me showing the outfit, I didn't have a picture, so I did go and take a picture. But this outfit is from FemmeLuxxe, and it's so cute. The first part of it is this cute little crop top, and it's leopard print, and I love it. I love the color that is gray and yellowish and brownish. It is just so cute, and it fits me so nice. So then the bottom piece is like this, and it's long pants, but it's so like loose, and I just love the length of it, the way it fits. It's not too tight and not too loose. It's just so perfect on, it's like a perfect fit for me, and it's just so comfortable. So this is like, I don't know, I need more of these in my life because it looks so fashionable, but you're comfortable as well, and it looks perfect, you know. Then I also got this, and this is also from Boohoo, and I got it at ebloggers as well, and I did wear it to when I went out as well in Florida, and I took a picture and I uploaded it on Instagram. So if you want to see it on me, it's on Instagram. But I just loved it too. I love that this one is very wide on the bottom. It's super wide. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And it's so cute. The print, the pineapple and the pink color is just so tropical and screaming Florida. So of course I had to purchase this and wear it when I was in Florida. And I love that it's open in the front as well. And I don't know, I just loved this little jumpsuit from Boohoo and ebloggers, and this was super inexpensive as well because I did get it from that crazy sale that they had. I also got this 2-piece set from Fashion Nova, and I love it. It's so cute. I don't know, I might wear this to the JLo concert. I don't know, let's see what I decide. It's either between this one or another one that I have, but it's so cute. I love the yellow and I love the purple on it as well. So yeah, it is so cute. It ties on the back, and the pants are like loose, not too tight, and it just fits so perfect as well. So I don't know whether I'm gonna wear this to the JLo concert or not, but let's see. I love the color of this, and this is so cute, and it fits me so perfect. Also from Fashion Nova, and I didn't get it for Fashion Nova price. Last but not least, I did get this from AliExpress because I wanted to have a nice like wearable shirt for these accessories when I took a photo of the accessories, and I got this for $2 and free shipping, and I couldn't believe it. It is so cute. It's just like a see-through shirt, and I don't know, I just felt like letting you guys know that AliExpress, if you're looking for something that is not too, you know, expensive and you're only gonna wear once, it's always good to look for places like AliExpress and eBay and things like that. So I got this for $2, and it is so cute and fashionable and in trend for Instagram, so it's just perfect for the use. And I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you guys were looking for inexpensive clothing that you're only gonna wear once or take pictures with. Yeah, that's pretty much my fashion haul. I hope you enjoyed this little fashion summer haul, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.